A Pakistani expert has said, the US thinking of American exceptionalism has provided the impetus for almost all of the US actions around the world, such as the invasion of Afghanistan.
It's sometimes true that the US pushes its values around the world under the garb of universal values. And these US values are propagated due to the US thinking of American exceptionalism, where the US considers itself to be unique and better than the rest of the world. And this thinking has provided impetus for almost all of the US actions around the world, such as the US involvement in the Middle East, invasions of Iraq and Afghanistan, incursion of North Korea, and resistance friction with Russia and China. I think that US was intoxicated with their military power when they invaded Afghanistan and Iraq, but it creates false sense of hubris which led to US being unsuccessful. Every country has its own system, like they have the local system, and US tries to impose their conditions on that country or that system. I personally believe that it won't work in the future as well, and it didn't work in the past.